Hello everyone! So today in class we did a virtual scavenger hunt to navigate through my Common Learning page. As I said today in class, every one of your teachers has a Common Learning page, and so this is going to be your one-stop shop for resources as we all learn how to navigate through virtual learning and what it looks like to learn from home. And so I am going to use this video just kind of as a recap of what the scavenger hunt covered and to really help you master how to access my Common Learning page and how to use each resource on that page. So let's go ahead and take a look at my Common Learning page. So this is the home page. Again, you can access this web page by going to the Canard website and going to the directory. And that is how you will get to this page. Here is a place where you can easily email me, and so if you just click on that, it will open up your email and you can send me a question, or if you need anything, you can always send me an email, and so that is an easy place to go to do that. Now I have this little welcome message and then our classroom links, and so I may add to this throughout the quarter as we do virtual learning. However, these are the main links you will need right now. If you haven't opened Google Classroom yet, I really recommend that you click on this right now. It will open up, or once you go back to my Common Learning page after you watch this video, it will show you all of your classes, and that will be a place where you go a lot for assignments from all of your teachers. And then below here, there's quick links. So this is where you will go to access your grades. This is the PSD website, so our district's website, and the calendar if you need to reference any day of this year. And then here is the staff directory to access all of your Common Learning pages. And so if you go click here, this is the directory and you'll see all your teachers below. Going up to daily agenda, if you missed a day in class, or if you were a little bit behind in class, or if you just need a recap, refresh to understand what we did in class, you will go to the daily agenda. The first day will always be the first slide, and you can know exactly what we did during our Google Meet. Then the learning target is over here, so you can understand what we were really focusing on for that day. And then the homework is below. It will tell you where to go. There may be a link, or there just may be directions to access the homework. So all of the days will be in this slideshow. So you will always go to the daily agenda, and you can open this slideshow to access any day that you were absent or maybe behind, or if you need a refresher. Then we have my virtual classroom, and so this is just a place to go as if you were actually in my classroom. There is a lot of links in this, so we'll go ahead and open it. This is my first slide, and it's just a welcome slide, and you can also click on this to go over our classroom syllabus. A lot of that I covered already. This is a table of contents just for easy access, so if you click on this, it will take you to the next slide. Oops. These are some of my favorite things just for you to get to know me. And if you want to click on these books later, it will take you to a document where it has some pictures of me and just a couple little things about me. So this is my desk. Then we have our classroom library. And if you click, these books may change throughout the quarter, and so you can always come back here to see if they've changed. Oops, sorry. And you can click on them and they will take you to the Pooter Library where you can actually check out that book at your local library. And then if you click on these two posters, they will take you to two different websites to help you find an independent reading book if you don't have one yet. Lastly, we have your virtual classroom desk. This is just a visual to help you understand what you will need to bring to my Google Meet each day. I will tell you if you ever need anything beyond these things, but every day you should have on your desk with you your English ISN, which we'll go over a lot more tomorrow, your planner, because we will fill that out each day, and some pens or pencils. Okay? So that is my virtual classroom. You are welcome here anytime to just kind of have some fun and look around. Lastly, we have the resources, and these are questions that you may have. How do I check my grades? How do I log into Google Classroom? I've never used these things before. This has a lot of those answers for you. How to check your email, and it has links that you click right to get to those things. I strongly recommend bookmarking a lot of these pages and these resources so you can quickly get to them. Okay? So this is my Common Learning page. Again, all of your teachers have one of these. I encourage you to spend the rest of this time, about maybe 5 or 10 more minutes, just really exploring my learning page a little bit more, and maybe looking at your other teachers' learning pages, bookmarking them, which you can do by going up to these 3 little dots, and then you click bookmarks, and you'll just click bookmark this tab, and then before you know it, will show up in this top section. Okay, so just spend a little bit more time looking at each of your teachers' Common Learning pages, bookmarking them, and remember that these are going to be the most important pages for you to reference if you ever missed a day or need to catch up, and this will be where everything is. And so hopefully that makes you feel a little bit better, that everything is in one place and each teacher's page looks the same. Okay, thanks so much, you guys. I'm excited for this year, and it's going to be amazing. Have a great rest of your day.